Good morning, my lovely kids. How are you? I miss you and miss each one of you. Today we are going to talk about the alternative sounds. At first, let's remember together what are the short vowels. Yes, the short vowels are a, e, I, o, a. Again, a, e, I, o, a. And now let's remember the long vowels. What are the long vowels? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, how do we write sound A and E? Excellent. How do we write sound E? E and E together make sound E. How do we write sound I? E and E together make sound I. Okay, how do we write sound O? O and A together make sound O. How do we write sound U? And A together make sound U. And now, can you write sound A? How do we write sound A? Yes, A and E together make sound A. Let's read together these words. Rain. Train. Main. Sail. Snail. Okay, when sound A come at the end of the word, can we write it like this? A and E together? No. Let's see how do we write it. Can we write it like this? No, this is wrong. We can't write A at the end of the word like this because E is so shy. It can't come at the end of the word. It will be Y, not E. So, how do we write May? We will write it like this? No, we will write it like this. A and Y together when it comes at the end of the word. Okay. Let's read here these words. May. Pay. Way. Say. Gray. Okay. Now, can you read these sound? What's this sound? Can you read it? Oi. Oi. How do you write oi? O and E together make sound oi. Let's read these words. Oil, soil. Oil, boil. Oil. Okay, when sound oi come at the end of the word, we said before that E is so shy. So it will be E. No, we will write it Y. O and Y together make sound oi. Let's read this word. Oi, boy. Okay, let's practice here. You can open page 26. Let's see here. What's this? This thing. It's a tray. It's a tray. So we say A at the end of the word. So we'll write it like this. A and Y together at the end of the word. What's this? Yes, it's a snail. So we will write it A and E or A and Y. Yes, A and E. Excellent. Here, what's this? It's a rain. It's a rain. So we will write it A and E or A and Y. A and E together. What's this? Yes, it's hay. Hay. I said here A at the end of the word, so I will write it A and Y together. What's this? Yes, it's a spray. It's a spray at the end of the word, so we will choose A and Y, not A and E. Here, what's this? It's paint. So we will write it A and E. Okay, we will choose here between oi, which is O and E, or oi, which is O and Y, like this. So, what's this? It's oil. Oil. Yes, the beginning oi. So we will write it O and E. Here, what's this? Point. Point. Oi. boil, boil. Oi, O and E together like this. And here, what's this? It's a coin. Coin, O and E together like this. And this is toy box. So oi come at the end of the word toy. So we write it O and E like this. And now, let's remember together, how do we write sound? E, E. A and A together make sound E. Let's read these words. S, E, C, B, feet. Okay. And also A and A together also make sound E. A and A together. Let's see these words. S, E, seal. E, meal. Real. Okay. Now we will open page 30. How do you write number 33 and 0? Yes. Now let's read some words from here. Eat, leaf. Eat, feet. Sh and her together make sound. Sh, eat, sheep. Seal. B, sea. Okay. Can you tell me what's this? It's a sheep. E and A. Yes. What's this? It's a leaf. A and A or A and A? A and A. Together also make sound E. Okay. And what's this? It's a seal. E, A and A together. And what's this? C. A and A together like this. And this B. A and A. And here teeth. A and A. And what's this? Feet. Feet. A and A together. What's this? It's a tree. E, A and A together. And here, three. A and A together. And now, let's remember sound. What's this sound? Yes, I. How do we write sound I? E and A together make sound I. Let's read here. P-I, pie. T-I, tie. L-I, this is which hands hop over A. Line. Okay, do you remember KG2 that we have a letter, this letter Y? When it comes after two letters, we will say it I. Always. Yes. So here's Y. Y come after two letters. 1, 2. Ski? No, we will not read it like this. We read it I. Sky. I. Fly. I. Try. Okay, now we will open page 34. Let's read together these words. P-I, pie. L-I, lie. L-I, which has an over a line. T-I, time. This is mine. Fly, flying. Okay. Here, tried. I, scribes. I, which has over a sunshine. Here, I, shy. Sky. Here, I, tie. Die. Here, I, drive. Slide. Drying. And the last one, I. Let's see here. Here, in this activity, we will draw. We will say the word and then draw. Here, what's this? Yes, it's a pie. So we will draw here a pie. draw here sky. And what's this? Bike. Bike. So we will draw here bike. And here kite. So we will draw here kite. And here slide. Slide. So we will draw here slide. And here crying. So we will draw here a boy or a girl. Anyone is crying. Like this. Okay, thank you so much. Please stay home and safe. Goodbye.